Hi everyone. Today video is discussed about business environment and international business unit 1 in UGC Net Commerce. And you can see the syllabus of the business environment and the international business, concepts and elements of business environment, scope and importance of international business, theories of international trade, foreign direct investment, balance of payment, regional economic integration, international economic institutions, and world trade organizations, like that. Then let's discuss the MCQs. Which are one of the following is not an element of legal environment? Question number 1. Which are one of the following is not an element of legal environment? Options: Act of Parliamentarians in Lok Sabha, Indian Contract Act 1872, Indian Partnership Act 1932, Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Answer is option A, Act of Parliamentarians in Lok Sabha. Question number 2. FIPB stands for options: Foreign Investment Promotion Board, Foreign Institution Primary Board, Foreign Investment Portfolio Board, Foreign Investment Portfolio Base. Answer is option A, Foreign Investment Promotion Board. Foreign Investment Promotion Board review the execution and the usage of funds raised through foreign direct investment. Next question, FEMA, the Foreign Exchange Management Act, was implemented in the year options 1996, 1999, 1997 and 1998. Option B is the answer, 1999. FEMA established in 1999 and it's an act of Parliament of India to consolidate and amend the law relating to foreign exchange with an objective of facilitating external trade and payments. Next question, a good environment is good business. A good environment is good business. Who said? Options: Dr. R. Rajan, Dr. M. Singh, Dr. S. S. Rao and Dr. M. S. Swaminathan. Option D is the answer, Dr. M. S. Swaminathan. Question number 5. Micro environment of a business firm is also known as task environment, operating environment, remote environment. Option D, both A and B. Option D is the answer, both A and B. That means micro environment of a business firm is also known as task environment or operating environment. Question number 6. Foreign equity includes options ADR, gold, rupee, bond. Option A is the answer, ADR, American Depository Receipts. American Depository Receipts are negotiable securities that is issued by the bank that represents shares in a non-US company. It's a non-negotiable securities issued by bank that represent shares in a non-US company. Next question, various bodies in the organization structure of World Trade Organization are given below. WTO. On the basis of decision-making authority, arrange them from top to bottom and indicate the correct code. Various bodies in the organization structure of WTO. That's General Council, Ministerial Conference, Specialized Committees and Council for Trade in Goods. And on the basis of the decision-making authority, Arrange them from top to bottom and indicate the correct code. Here, four options are the General Council, Ministerial Conference, Specialized Committees, Council for Trade in Goods. And choose the correct answer from the code given below. The option is A is the answer. Second, first, fourth, third. Second means Ministerial Conference, then General Council, next Council for Trade in Goods, next Specialized Committees. Next question, which among the following statements is not true relating to crawling peg system of exchange system rate? Which among the following statement is not true relating to crawling peg system of exchange rate? Options, it was introduced an alternative to the adjustable peg system and it allows a narrow margin of fluctuations as compared to adjustable peg system. And option C, it takes a position in between fixed exchange rate system and the flexible exchange rate system, and it was introduced by IMF in 1971. Option B is the answer. It allows a narrow margin of fluctuations as compared to adjustable peg system. Crawling peg system, that's a system of exchange system and it exchange rate adjustments in which a currency with a fixed exchange rate is allowed to fluctuate within a band of rates, and it helps to control currency moves usually during at the time of devaluation. Then next, the new Consumer Protection Act 2019 came into force from options 1st January 2020, 20th July 2020, 20th July 2019, 1st April 2019. Option B is the answer, 20th July 2020. Question number 10. The balance of payment of a country on current account is equal to options balance of trade plus net invisible exports, balance of trade plus shorter, and balance of payment minus capital flows, balance of invisible trade plus imports. Option A is the answer, balance of trade plus net invisible exports. Then, which is factor of business environment? Option, working condition, pricing policy, patent right, all of these. Option D is the answer, all of this. That means working condition, pricing policy, patent rights are the factors of business environment. Then question number 12. SENVAT is associated with the direct tax, indirect tax, income tax, none of these. The answer is option B. It's a part of indirect tax. SENVAT means Central Value Added Tax. That is levied by the central government as central sale tax. Many indirect taxes now this time many indirect taxes are abolished by our central government by the introduction of GST, including SENVAT. Then next question, the Competition Act enacted in dash in India. The Competition Act enacted in dash in India. 1st January 2002, December 2002, December 2004 and September 2002. The answer is option B, December 2002. Next question, the first macro environmental force that a business firm generally monitors. The first macro environmental force that a business firm generally monitors is. Options are economic environment, demographic environment, technological environment, international political environment. Option B is the answer, demographic environment. Next, 15th question. Which of the following statement is true? The Competition Commission of India is headed by a person having judicial background. The Competition Commission of India is headed by a person having judicial background. Option B, the definition of the term goods has given in the Competition Act 2002 is the same as given in the Sale of Goods Act 1930. And C, both A and B are true. And the option D, none of the above is true. Option D is the correct answer. None of the above is true. Then question number 16, which one of the following is not included in the consumer rights as per the Consumer Protection Act 1986? Options are right to be protected against marketing of hazardous goods and services, right to be heard. Option C, right to a physical environment that will protect and enhance quality of life. And option D, right to seek redressal of legitimate complaints. Option C is the answer, right to physical environment that will protect and enhance quality of life. Once again, which one of the following is not included in the consumer rights as per the Consumer Protection Act? Which is the answer? Right to a physical environment that will protect and enhance quality of life. Then question number 17, a consumer can file a complaint under the Consumer Protection Act 1986 on any of the following grounds except sale of defective goods, provision of deficient service, charging very high price, and unfair trade practice. A consumer can file a complaint under the Consumer Protection Act on any of the following ground except which one is the answer? Charging very high price. Question number 18. What is not the advantages of ZES? Improvement of ZES Special Economic Zone, improvement of infrastructure in the hinterland, diversion of large tracts of farmland, attracting foreign investment, all of the above. What is not the advantages of ZES? Question. Option B is the correct answer, diversion of large tracts of farmland. Question number 19. Which type of the complaints are not to be entertained by consumer forums under Consumer Protection Act 1986? Options. A defective product purchased 1.5 years back. B. Option B, misleading advertisement in a newspaper. Option C, services provided free of cost. And D, tie-in sales. Option C is the answer, services provided free of cost. Question number 20. Which of the following is a WTO procedure to promote globalization? Again, which of the following is a WTO procedure to promote globalization? Options are promotion of free trade, reduction of budgetary subsidies, reduction in shipping costs, promotion of foreign portfolio investment. Option A is the correct answer, promotion of free trade. Question number 21. Dash is the apex body of the economic planning in India. Dash is the apex body of the economic planning in India. Options are Parliament, Supreme Court, Niti Aayog, and none of these. Option C is the answer, Niti Aayog, National Institute for Transforming India. National Institute for Transforming India. The old name of Niti Aayog is Planning Commission, that is established in 1st January 2015 to replace Planning Commission. Mainly, there are three aims of Niti Aayog are federalism, monitoring and evaluation. What are the three aims of Niti Aayog? Federalism, monitoring and evaluation. Then question number 22. Match the following regarding disinvestment in India. Match the following regarding disinvestment in India. List 1. Disinvestment policy by the Chandrasekhar government and Rankarajan Committee on Disinvestment in Public Sector Enterprises. Option C. Strategic and non-strategic classification of public enterprises for disinvestment. And option D. Formation of Disinvestment Commission. In the list 2 part, first option 1999, second option 1996 and third option 1991 to 92 and 1993. These are the options included in list 2 and some codes are given and they asked which code is correct one. Option A is the correct answer. Code A for C. A is the correct code. 1 for C, 2 for D, 3 for A and 4 for B. That means 1. 1 is equal to C. 1 means here you can see that the list 1 categories and list 2 categories are the 1 for C, 2 for D and 3 for A and 4 for P. Next question 23. A dash consists of economic condition, economic policies, industrial policies and economic system. Dash consists of economic conditions, economic policies, industrial policies and economic system. Options: economic environment, natural environment, business environment, none of the above. That's a simple question. The answer is option A is the correct answer, economic environment. By whom the rehabilitation packages suggested? BIFR, options are BIFR, IRTA, MRTP and Policy Resolution 9070. Option A is the answer, BIFR, Board for Industrial and Financial Reconstruction. Board for Industrial and Financial Reconstruction. That's an agency of Government of India which determine the sickness of industrial companies. Then next question. When was the first 5-year plan launched? Options are 1952, 1951, 1950, 1953. Option B is the answer, 1951. Option B is the answer, and the first 5-year plan launched at the time of Jawaharlal Nehru. At that time he was the Prime Minister of our country, and the Planning Commission was responsible for working out the next question. What is the first phase of industrial development? Question number 26. What is the first phase of industrial development? Options: surplus of technical skill. Option B, design. Option C, motivation. And option D is planning. Option D is the answer. Planning is the correct answer. Planning provides basic concepts like objectives, policies and programs and budgets for the program industrial development. And were located Consumer Guidance Society of India. Where located the Consumer Guidance Society of India? Options are Pune, Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi. Option C is the answer, Mumbai. Then question number 28, globalization means. Options are adopting a global outlook, attracting foreign investments and earning profit from export, and then setting off firms branches in other countries. Globalization means option A is the answer. Option A is the answer, adopting a global outlook. Adopting a global outlook. As globalization is growing economic interdependence of countries worldwide through increasing volume and variety of cross-border transactions in goods and services, and of international capital flows, and also through the more rapid and widespread diffusions of technology. Then question number 29, the process by which strategists monitor the economic, governmental, legal, market, competitive, geographical, and social settings to determine the opportunities and threats to the firm is called. Again, once more, the process by which strategists monitor the economic, governmental, legal, market, competitive, geographic, and social settings to determine the opportunities and threats to their firm is called. Options are environment monitoring, option B, environment analysis, then option C, environment diagnosis, and none of these. Option B is the answer, environment analysis. Environment analysis means analysis, that means categorizes the changes and forces that affect the startup directly or indirectly through the customers, suppliers, and competitors. That means environment analysis means to categorize the changes and forces that affect the startup directly or indirectly through the customers, suppliers, and competitors. So, what is environment diagnosis? It's a systematic identification of all environmental factors related with the activities of an organization. Environment monitoring means it's an activities aimed at keeping track of changes in external factors that are likely to affect the market and the demand for a firm's products and services. Then, question number 30. Entry port trade refers to foreign trade, then imports, exports. Option D, goods imported for re-export. These are the options are the option D is, what is the question? Entry port trade refers to foreign. Options are foreign trade, imports, exports, and goods imported for re-export. Option D is the answer, goods imported for re-export. Entry port means, that means a goods imported from one country and finished products are re-export to the same country. Goods imported from one country and finished products are re-export to the same country. That's called entry port. Thank you.